In this video, we'll look at configuring pre-built apps to call other apps to allow for a consistent experience across a pre-built implementation. Certain apps are designed so that they can be called by other apps. Creating the apps in such a modular manner removes the need for duplicate development in pre-built. For example, the pick-pack app can be configured to jump to the stock movements app at the relevant point in the process. While this is not clearly noticeable to the end user when interacting with PreBilt, calling apps helps to streamline processes and provide great user experience. Throughout the duration of this video, we'll refer to the app doing the call to another app as the parent app, and the app that is called by another app referred to as the child app. There are two different ways in which jumps to other apps are controlled. First is using a specific configuration option, call_transaction, to identify the activity and child app. To show this in an example, let's head to /TCTM/WM_CFG_D transaction and look at app master data for one of our picking apps. We'll select the configuration option call_transaction, and we can see that there are two child apps linked that are called by this transaction, one for serial number capture transaction and one for stock movements transaction. The call transaction option is used in event where seamless transition and integration takes places, allowing user to complete a process smoothly. Another way to call an app is via the actions in relative pre-built screen. This option requires a user to specifically call a transaction with the use of the call to action button. For example, in a stock inquiry transaction, which allows multiple jumps to general postings app, each action maintained in the relevant actions option is linked to the child transaction maintained by defining a transaction it will call and jump to in pre-built. In this case, when a user enters the input screen in stock inquiry, they will have a list of options available to them. Once an option has been selected, this triggered a call to child app and user jumps to relevant screen for that child app transaction screen. Often, the child app will require specific setup to support the seamless transition from the parent app, and so therefore the child app the jump is made to will be created as its own entity to support smooth transition with any back-end logic that follow. These jump transactions are often labeled with a suffix jump or JMP at the end. This allows the child apps to be configured independently from the regular version of the app. Not every app supports jumps as back-end logic development is required to ensure smooth functionality. For more information about integration between apps, please visit our documentation portal. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.